In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to enable VPN on Opera GX mobile. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. You can try this on both your Android and iPhone device. Just make sure you have the latest version of the Opera GX gaming browser. When you first open up the browser, you will be greeted by this page where you cannot see the VPN button anywhere on the screen. If you scroll down, you just see some games. However, unlike the computer web browser, you can't find the VPN button over here. If you try to access the settings by clicking the Opera icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, you won't be able to find anything related to turning on the VPN in here as well. Even if you go back and you go to the private mode, you will notice that the VPN button is nowhere to be seen, not even in settings on the private mode. This is because, as of today, Opera GX on mobile does not allow you to use the VPN like its computer app does. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it's not possible to use the VPN on Opera GX on mobile. You need to be using the computer desktop web browser in order to properly use the VPN. If this video helped you clear up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.